Good morning class. In today's video we will discuss about multiples. So what is multiples and what are the multiples of a number? If we have a number 7, then what are its multiples and how many multiples does it have? If 7 multiplied with 1, then this 7 is the multiple of 7, and if we multiply 7 by 2, then we will get 14. Then this 14 is the multiple of 7. If we multiply 7 by 3, then we will get 21. Then this 21 is another multiple of 7. So if a number is multiplied with 7, then we get 7's multiples. After this, we will multiply 7 by 4, then we will get 28. And the list would continue forever. The multiples of a 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and so on. So this proves that a list of a multiple of a number is infinite. So students, let us find the multiple of 2. Two times 1 will be 2. 2 times 2 will be 4. 2 times 3 will be 6. And the multiples of 2 continue. So, what's special about the multiple of 2? We get the multiple of 2, which is 2, 4, 6 and so on. So, what is special in this? All the multiples of 2 are called even number. And what about the numbers which are not multiples of 2? The numbers which are not the multiples of 2 are called odd number. So, the number 1, 3, 7, 9 and so on are called odd numbers. So, the concept of odd and even number is very important. The multiples of 2 is even and the non-multiples of 2 will be odd numbers. So students, let's find the multiple of 4 and 8, which is very easy. We just have to multiply and write down the tables. So 4 times 1 will be 4. 4 times 2 will be 8. 4 times 3 will be 12. 4 times 4 will be 16. Then 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. So these are the first 10 multiples of 4. Now let's find out the multiples of 8. As we all know, 8 times 1 will be 8. 8 times 2 will be 16, then 24, then 32. 8 times 5 will be 40, then 48, 56, 64, 72, after that 80. So these are the first 10 multiples of 8. It is very easy to find out the multiples of a number. We just have to multiply the number with the digit we want to find out. Now students, look at this picture and tell me what are the multiples of 5 and 10. What does it look like on the hundreds chart? Now look at the multiples of 10 and then the multiples of 5. What does it look like? We can see that every multiple of 10 is a multiple of 5. Now students, look at this picture and tell me which numbers are multiples of 5 and which numbers are multiples of 10, and how many multiples does each number have. Which numbers were marked more than once? What does that mean? And what are the related multiplication facts for the multiples? So students, in this picture we can see 45, 75, 80, 120 and 125 are the multiples of 5, and 80 and 120 are also the multiples of 10. So you can see every number ending with 0 is a multiple of 10, and every number ending with either 5 or 0 is a multiple of 5.